Welcome to Allie in the Valley. I'm Allison Ball Kilmer. Allie in the Valley is a lifestyle blog about healthy, delicious food, all while staying on a budget. Homegrown cooking, down-to-earth living. Welcome back to Allie in the Valley. It is the holiday season and I'm making all my favorite yummy food. One of my all-time favorite and my family's all-time favorite, I guess anybody during the holidays, is garlic mashed potatoes. I love me some mashed potatoes during the year. Unfortunately, I can't eat them too much because I'm always trying to keep that weight off. As much as I cook, I can't have garlic mashed potatoes a lot. But for the holidays, I'm eating and feeding people whatever I want. So garlic mashed potatoes are on the menu. So it's super easy to make garlic mashed potatoes. I have already cleaned about 5 very large potatoes that I'm gonna chop up. And my garlic mashed potatoes, I put everything in the pot and then I just cook them down. So I'm gonna cut up it's about 4 pounds of potatoes, but really there's 5 large potatoes depending how big, how many people you have coming to your house. You know, it's up to, you can always, go up or go down. So I'm just gonna make chunks of them and put them in the pot. And then I'm gonna add butter. I'm gonna add buttermilk, that's buttermilk, and milk, garlic, butter, thyme, salt and pepper. Boil them down, mash them up, and then you're gonna have creamy, yummy garlic mashed potatoes. Okay, so I've chopped up all my potatoes. They're in the pot. I'm going to put 3 cups of buttermilk because I did say it's a holiday, okay? And it's gonna be nice and yummy. But I'm also gonna add 1 cup of regular milk too. Now that's the liquid. You know how usually you do potatoes in water? Not for Christmas. We do it in yummy, rich milk. So good. Okay, now as much garlic as you like. I like a lot of garlic, so I'm gonna probably put 6 to 8 cloves of garlic in here. And then you could either chop up your thyme or you could put it on tie it so it doesn't break apart. I'm gonna use mine in here. Not everybody does that, but I'm doing that. This is gonna go on the stove top and boil down, and the potatoes are gonna get really soft. And then I'm going to add butter and salt and pepper. So this is gonna be the mixture that we put on the stove. Let's go over here. I'm gonna put a top on it too. All right, so my yummy garlic mashed potatoes are done. I put them in a beautiful bowl. This will keep it warm. And you can also make these early if you like and then reheat them. But everybody loves garlic mashed potatoes. I put lots of garlic, thyme, butter, buttermilk, salt and pepper. My potatoes, boil them down. I gotta try them with all the yummy butter right here. It tastes like a baked potato that's been mushed all up. They're perfect. Don't forget where you get the recipe, AllieInTheValley.com. If you like this video, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Holiday sides, specials, all here at Allie in the Valley. Dropping a new video every week from my family to your family. Happy holidays. And I hope you have a great, safe, amazing holiday. Easy side garlic